Good morning, students. This is Latif sir. Today I am going to start a new chapter, the third chapter of class 11th chemistry, classification of elements and periodicity in properties. The topic is classification of elements and periodicity in properties. And according to the reduced syllabus, this chapter starts from modern periodic table. That is, you have to read the modern periodic law and modern periodic table and characteristics of modern periodic table. And the modern periodic law is the physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic number. This is the modern periodic law. And the modern periodic table is based on the atomic numbers of elements. So the modern periodic law is the physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic number. You can see here the modern periodic table I have given. Just see by rotating the screen, this is the modern periodic table. And now structural feature of the long form of the periodic table. Long form of the periodic table, that means modern periodic table. Now see the structural feature. The modern periodic table, it consists of 18 vertical column which are called groups. So in modern periodic table there are 18 groups, 18 vertical columns and 7 horizontal rows which are called periods. So in modern periodic table, in you can see there are total 18 groups and 7 periods. And vertical columns are known as groups and horizontal rows are known as periods. So there are total vertical columns which are that means total 18 groups and total 7 horizontal rows, that means total 7 periods. Now elements of group 1 to 13 to 17, group 1, 2 and 13 to 17 are called representative elements. Elements of group 1 and 2 and 13 to 17 are called representative elements. And elements of group 3 to 11 are called transition element. Elements of group 3 to 11s are called transition element. And the 14 elements with atomic number Z is equal to 58 to 71. After lanthanum, the 14 elements after lanthanum, that is atomic number from 58 to 71, are called lanthanides or rare earth elements. And these elements are placed at the bottom of the periodic table. You can see here in this periodic table, total 14 lanthanides elements from cerium to lutetium, 58, atomic number 58 to 71. And the 14 elements with atomic number 90 to 103, 90 to 103 occurring after actinum. That is, after actinum, the elements 90 with atomic number 90 to 103, these 14 elements are called actinides element, and these are also placed at the bottom of the periodic table. So you can also see the actinides elements. The 14 actinides elements from thorium to lawrencium, that is 90 to 103 atomic number, these are called actinides element. These are also placed at the bottom of the periodic table, modern periodic table. And the elements with Z is equal to 93 to 103, that is neptunium to lawrencium, which occur in the periodic table after uranium and have been prepared from it by artificial means, are called transuranic transuranics. These elements also called transuranic, that is neptunium to lawrencium after uranium. And these all elements, the elements after uranium, that is neptunium to lawrencium, all are radioactive elements. Next feature, the elements belonging to a particular group are said to constitute a chemical family, which is usually named after the name of the first element. For example, boron family, that is group 13 family. The first element of the boron family is boron. And carbon family, group 14 family, is also known as carbon family. This is because the first element is carbon. And group 15, that is nitrogen family, because the first element is nitrogen. And oxygen family, that which is group 16, oxygen family, because the first element is oxygen. And in addition to these, some groups have typical names. In addition to these, that is boron family, carbon family, nitrogen family, oxygen family, some groups have typical names. For example, elements of group 1 are also called alkali metals. Group 1 are also called alkali metals. Similarly, elements of group 2 also called alkaline earth metal. Elements of group 2 also called alkaline earth metals. And elements of group 16 also called chalcogen, that is oxygen family, also called chalcogens. And elements of group 17 also called halogens. Okay, and elements of group 18 are called zero group or noble gases or inert gases. Elements of group 18 are called noble gases or inert gases. Now see the properties of periods or characteristic of periods. In the long form of the modern periodic table, there are total 7 periods, I have told. And these periods are first period, second period, third period, fourth period, fifth period, sixth period, and seventh period. And the first period contains two elements, which are hydrogen and helium. So the first period containing hydrogen and helium is the shortest period because it contains only two elements. Second period and third period, second period which contains lithium to neon, total 8 elements, and third period also contains 8 elements, and third period contain 8 elements from sodium to argon. So second period and third period contains 8 elements each and are called short period. This is the short period. And fourth period and fifth period, which contain 18 elements. Fourth period contain potassium to krypton, that is atomic number 19 to 36, potassium to krypton. And fifth period contains rubidium to xenon, that is atomic number 37 to 54. So total 18 elements are present in fourth and fifth period, and these periods are called long periods. And the sixth period contains 32 elements and is the longest period. Sixth period contains 32 elements, 55 cesium to radon 86. So sixth period contains total 32 elements and is the longest period. And the seventh period, which second period, is however incomplete and contains at presently only 24 elements. But in some books it is the newly discovered elements, the name and symbol of newly discovered element also given in some books. Okay, you can check. Now classification of elements according to SPDF block. So in another classification, the long form of the periodic table has been divided into 4 blocks, S, P, D and F block, depending upon the subcell to which the last electron entered. Depending upon the subcell to which the last electron enters, you can classify the long form of the periodic table into 4 blocks, that is S, P, D and F block. Now see first S block. In S block elements, in case of S block elements, the last electron enter into the S orbital. So S block elements are group 1 elements and group 2 elements are called S block element. Group 1 element, that is alkali metals, and group 2 elements, that is alkaline earth metal. These are S block element, and the electronic configuration of group 1 element is NS1, and general electronic configuration, that is NS1 and NS1 and NS2. General electronic configuration of group 1 and group 2 elements are NS1 and NS2, where N is the outermost energy level, okay, or outermost cell. So NS1 and NS2 are the outermost electronic configuration of group 1 and group 2 elements. Now P block elements. P block elements, the elements belonging to group 13 to 18 are called P blocks element. So P block elements, they belongs to group 13 to 18. And the outermost electronic configuration of P block elements, the general outermost electronic configuration of P block elements is NH2 NP 1 to 6. You have to remember the general electronic configuration of each block. So the general electronic configuration of P block elements is NH2 NP1, and the last electron will enter into the p orbitals in case of P block elements. One thing you have to remember that helium, in case of helium, the last electron enter into the S orbital, but it is a P block element. Okay, helium is a S block element, but it is positioned with the group 18 elements. Helium is a S block element because last electron enter into the into S orbital in case of helium, and the electronic configuration of helium is 1s2. So helium is a S block element, but it is positioned with the group 18 elements because it has completely filled valence shell, and as a result exhibits properties characteristic of the other noble gases. So due to similarity with the noble gases, helium is positioned in the group 18 with the other noble gases. Except helium, all the other noble gases are P block elements. Only helium is a S block element, but it is positioned with the group 18 noble gas element. Now D block elements. It is D block elements also known as transition element. D block element also known as transition element. These are elements of group 3 to 3 to 12s. D block elements are elements of group 3 to 12. One thing you have to remember that group 12 is a D block, but the group 12 the elements of group 12 are not transition element. By the definition of transition element, elements of group 12, that is zinc, cadmium and mercury, these are not transition element, but these are D block elements. Okay, so D block elements, these are elements of group 3 to 12 having outermost electronic configuration n minus 1 D 1 to 10 ns 1 to 2, n minus 1 D 1 to 10 and ns 1 to 2, where n is the valence shell. There are 4 transition series 3D series, 4D series, 5D series, and 6D series. These are 4D transition series. And the six transitions 6D series is incomplete. Now see the F block elements. These are inner transition series. F block elements. These are inner transition series, that is lanthanide and actinides. So lanthanoids characterized by the filling of of 4f orbitals are the elements following lanthanum from cerium to lutetium, that is cerium 58 to lutetium 71. And similarly, actinoids characterized by filling of 5f orbitals. In case of lanthanide, 4f orbitals, electrons enter in 4f orbital, and in case of actinoids element, the last electron enters into the 5f orbitals. So actinides characterized by filling of 5f orbitals, and the actinides elements are thorium to lawrencium. Thorium to lawrencium. Now, characteristics outermost electronic configuration for F block elements is n minus 2 f 1 to 14, n minus 1 0 to n minus 1 d 0 to 1, and ns2. These are characteristic outermost electronic configuration of F block elements: n minus 2 f 1 to 14, n minus 1 d 0 to 1, and ns2. And the last, noble gases. These are group 18 elements, and the general outermost electronic configuration of noble gases except helium is NH2 NP6. For helium it is 1s2, but except helium, the general electronic configuration of all noble gases is NH2 NP6. Helium exceptionally has 1s2 electronic configuration, and thus the outermost shell of noble gases is completely filled. So these are some characteristic feature of modern or long form periodic table. Okay students, thank you.